Hello, in this video we'll talk about how to organize our content in items inside LaTeX. So we've seen how to organize our text in sections and subsections, and we can have chapters as well. But we might want to organize a small piece of text in items, and for that we can use an environment which is the Itemize environment. So inside this begin and end itemize, we can put items. So for example, if we want to build a list of things to do, and for each of the items we will use the command item to indicate that we're starting a new one. So for example, I need to do this, and another item that is in my to-do list is to do that, and maybe another item that I have is to save the world. If we build our PDF like this, we'll see that this list will be built with some annotation here, and there's some markers for each of these items. These items might be a very long paragraph, it doesn't have to be just a short term. So in the beginning of each item we'll see the standard form is just a bullet point. But you can change that if you want maybe dashes for your items. You can have an option, an extra argument here, that will be dash. Or you can have double dash, or something like this. And if we build it, we'll see that we can have these different indicators of a beginning of an item like this. We can have a star as well. So whatever you want to indicate that is the start of a new item, you will put here in this square brackets as an option to the item command. But you might want not to have these symbols, you might want to have numbers, sequence of numbers to indicate your items in your list of things to do. So another type of environment that allows us to do that is the Enumerate Environment. And in the Enumerate Environment we can have items as well. Remember that whatever we begin, we need to end just the same, so we begin enumerate and we end enumerate. And we can have the same items without any other options, and we'll see that when we build this like this with begin enumerate and enumerate and items inside it, we'll see that they will come as a number list of items, and this number will come in whatever order these items are written here in your LaTeX file. So if for example you want to change your mind and save the world before you do that, you can build it again and you see that the numbers will be automatically updated in the order that you wrote here. But you might want to have a word describing the beginning of these items. We have another environment which allows us to do that, which is the description environment. So remember, if we begin description, we can end, or we must end description as well. So in this description environment, you have in your option here of the item command whatever word or letter that you want for that. So you might spell it out like first, I want to do that, and second, I want to do that, and after all else is done, I want to do this third item in my list. If we build that, you'll see that it will indicate the beginning of your items by a bold word or expression that you put here inside the brackets. And it might look like a dictionary where you have a word and then an explanation of this word after it. So there you have 3 different types of environments that allows us to make lists.